Today class 8. Today I discuss about the chemistry chapter, displacement reaction, metals and non-metals. Displacement reaction, those reactions in which more active element displaces a less active element from its compound are called displacement reactions. For example, ferrous plus copper sulfate. Here ferrous is more reactive, more active element. Copper sulfate is less reactive element than ferrous and its compound is copper sulfate copper. Ferrous sulfate is a production. After reaction it is produced after product plus copper product. The reactant is ferrous is more reactive and copper is less reactive. Ferrous displaces copper from its copper sulfate and form ferrous sulfate and plus copper. This reaction is displacement reaction because ferrous is more reactive, copper is less reactive of its compound. It forms ferrous sulfate and copper is releases. Now we can say simply more active element Fe displaces less reactive metal copper from its copper sulfate. Now second example, zinc plus copper sulfate, zinc sulfate plus copper. Similarly, more active element zinc displaces less copper, less reactive metal copper from its copper sulfate and form zinc sulfate plus copper. Now some reactions are non-metals. When metals reacts with oxygen, it produces acidic oxide generally. As for example, sulfur reacts with oxygen, it forms sulfur dioxide. It is acidic in nature or acidic oxide. When sulfur dioxide is dissolved in water, it forms sulfurous acid. SO2 plus H2O, it forms SO2 H2SO3. This is the sulfurous acid. Second, when white phosphorus burns in air, it forms phosphorus pentaoxide, which is also an acidic oxide because 4p burn in the 5 molecule of oxygen, it forms 2 molecules of phosphorus pentaoxide, 2p2O5. Question is arises, why non-metals like white phosphorus stored in water? White phosphorus is a non-metal. Why stored in water? Answer is, very reactive non-metals, white phosphorus is spontaneously ignites at 30 degrees Celsius in moist air. It is usually stored under water to prevent exposure to the air. Now some important oxides, non-metallic oxides like carbon monoxide, nitric monoxide, dihydrogen oxide, dihydrogen oxide, dinitrogen oxide. These are the neutral oxides, nor acidic nor basic. It is neutral oxides. Hence CO carbon monoxide, NO nitric oxide, N2O nitrous oxide or dinitrogen nitrogen oxide, H2O water or dihydrogen oxide. These all above oxides are neutral in nature. Some uses of common metals and nonmetals. Fe, Fe, usage of Fe like common metals. Usage of iron, uses in pig iron because it has high percentage of carbon, approx 4%. Hard and brittle, uses to make pipe, tank, railings, nails, bolt, chain, agriculture tools and hammering. Steel, 0.5 to 1.5% of carbon used in construction of building, used in making ship, making bridge, railway lines. Stainless steels also used in making utensils. Now uses of copper, uses in electric wire, coil, car radiator and laboratory calorimeter and useful alloy in utensils also. Usage of aluminium. It is used in mainly wire, cooking utensils, aluminium foil, water aluminium to prevent rusting, powder of aluminium prevent rusting of iron, alloy of aluminium light and strong, engine part of the aircraft or car. Usage of zinc. It is used in dry cells, coating of iron or galvanizing of the iron, formation of alloy, formation of brass, formation of bronze, formation of silver, German silver. Usage of lead. Usage of lead is used as electrodes for automobiles, battery, alloys, and next is chromium. It is uses in electroplated of iron, handle of bicycles, car, bumpers, etc. Non-metals. Usage of non-metals like silicon. Silicon used in electronic and computer industries to make device, transistor, microchips, solar cell. It is also used in waterproof clothes, grease, polishes, and industrial material, insulating material for electricals, wire. Uses of sulfur, sulfuric acid, medicine, vulcanized rubber in tire. Usage of phosphorus, meta, phosphorus, matchbox, fireworks industry, fertilizer, etc. Usage of graphite or carbon, dry cells, lubricant, lead of pencils and formation of steel. Usage of hydrogen, ammonia gas, fertilizer, extraction of copper, lead, stainless, and oxyhydrogen flame. Uses cutting and welding metals and fuels. Thank you.